appreciate you. Don't forget the rag. Nobody to slide.
What's up, my guy? Yes, sir. Helping you secure your spot. Yeah. Yes, sir. Huh? Yeah, I'm working right here. I just repaired this lock right here.
Yes, I'm here to help you today.
Jamaica,
What can I
huh?
assist you with?
Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah? Yeah, man. Blessings and honor. Respect, man. Man. See it there. A real talk, man. Real thing. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, you at work, man. You gotta be professional. Already know. Yes, sir. Good job. Yes, sir. Done. Smooth. Smooth job. She good. She good. Just a little repair.